Alexa, are green beans okay for dogs?
Green bean is not considered poisonous to dogs. However, green bean may still contain ingredients that are individually toxic to dogs, and you should always check with your veterinarian before feeding your pet any new foods.
Alexa, is knife juggling okay for dogs?
I'm not sure.
Alexa, is red wine okay for dogs?
Red wine is recognized as a poisonous substance to dogs. Depending on the size, age, and breed of the dog, exposure to or ingestion of red wines can be harmful if the dose is large enough. Consult a veterinarian.